Hey everyone, I'm Vijay and welcome back to Tech with Vijay. This is day 2 of our executing series 30 Python tricks in 30 days, where we boost your coding game and trick at a time. In today's episode, we are covering a smart and Pythonic way to swap two variables without using a temporary variable. This one linear will not only make your code cleaner but also impress your press. In most traditional programming languages, to swap a to swap two values, you need a third variable like this. Let's discuss about it. Let's consider a is equal to 5, b is equal to 10, temp equal to a. Then we can consider a is equal to b equal to temp. Then we can print it. Print a comma b. Let's you can use a command this. Then we can run it. We can see the output like 10 comma 5. It works but is a bit lengthy and not every Pythonic. Python lets you do this in just one line using a tuple unpacking. Python is tuple packing. What is tuple packing? Let's consider a comma b equal to 5 comma 10, a comma b equal to b comma a. They can print a comma b. You can see the output like 10 comma 5. Yes, that's it. What's happening here is that b comma a is treated as a tuple on the right hand side and is unpacked into a comma b on the left hand side. Clean and efficient. No temp variable needed, no extra spaces needed. This trick isn't just for numbers. You can use it with strings, list, even custom objects. Let's take an example. We can consider first comma last equal to, consider name as v comma j. First comma last equal to last comma first. Can print first. Can print first comma last. Can see the output like this, j comma j. You can see it first comma last. And that's your day 2 Python trick. You just learned how to swap variables in one beautiful line using a tuple unpacking, a perfect example of Python elegance. If you found this trick useful, smash that like button, drop a comment if you used this before, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech with Vijay. Tomorrow in day 3, we are diving into the world of list comparisons, one of Python's most powerful features. See you in the next one, and until then, keep coding, stay awesome. Bye guys.